What if your wildest thought could become a t-shirt in under a minute? Stop wishing, start printing. Meet the dream team, Gemini AI for the imagination and the RICOH Ri4000 to make it real. Here's how it works. You type a simple text prompt into Gemini, then it creates the impossible in seconds. But here's where the magic happens. That AI-generated design goes to the RICOH Ri4000, and this machine handles everything you think about printing. Thick or thin fabric? The auto platen height adjustment senses it and adjusts itself. Dark shirts? No problem. Built-in pre-treatment makes colors explode. Photorealistic prints with perfect gradients. Every shade blends smoothly. Every tiny detail stays crisp. Gemini AI plus RICOH Ri4000. Perfect DTG printer to start your full custom apparel business. From a text prompt to a finished garment in minutes. What you imagined is exactly what you get. Ready to bring your ideas to life? Subscribe now to see latest videos about our textile printing solutions or visit our website texgraph.com.